Hello, it's Sabrina Moreland from the Walter State Library, and I've created a quick video that will help with highlighting content from the articles you find in the databases. And we'll be looking at information from Academic Search Premier, Opposing Viewpoints, and the ebook Academic Collection. So this is just a list of results from Academic Search Premier. When I go into the article, it will load the PDF most of the time. Now, even if you download the PDF, it's just going to open this view again. So I recommend emailing the article to yourself. So you would click on the email icon and you would insert your email address here. Once you've sent it to yourself, you will see this view of the email. So there's two options. You can copy and paste the article into a Word document, or you can go up to the PDF and open the PDF. When you do that, it should open in Edge, which is what it does on my computer, and you can click on Add Notes at the top right, and then there's a highlight function up here at the top as well. And then you can highlight the information that you want to show to your instructor. Now, once you've highlighted, you're going to want to save your changes. So you can go over here to the right top corner and hit Save, and then save your article as something that you'll remember. And then that's the piece that you will upload to your Dropbox. In Opposing Viewpoints, once you click into an article you're interested in, you'll get an HTML view. And so you could copy and paste this into a Word document and highlight. Or once again, you can send this to yourself through email. So I clicked on the little paper airplane and clicked on email. And in this case, you'll want to enter your email address twice, in both the To and the From box. Once that document appears in your email address, you can copy and paste from this view as well, is what I recommend doing. They don't really give you a PDF option from this database. So if you do copy and paste into Word, of course you would just use the highlight function. So you would find an area that you're interested in highlighting, and you would highlight that for your instructor. You would save the Word document and then upload this to the Dropbox. Lastly, the ebook collection's a little more tricky. So what you'll want to do is you'll go into the PDF, so you'll open an ebook link, you'll click on PDF full text, and then you can check a chapter or a certain section by searching within. So if I was interested in just a few pages from chapter 9, I would see the page number at the bottom, and I could email pages to myself. So what I would do then is go up to Email Pages, click on Current Page, and then however many pages you want after this. So I might want to email myself the current page plus 3 pages. Now you'll see up here sometimes there's a limit on how many you can use. This had 100, and I've been testing it out. So you'll want to make sure you are indeed allowed to email pages to yourself, and then I would only do a few at a time. You would enter your email address in this section. Once this appears in your inbox, you get information about the ebook, and then once again you'll want to click on the PDF that's provided and open that. And just like with Academic Search Premier, you can click on Add Notes and then highlight areas that you're interested in highlighting. And then once again, remember to save this to a file name that you'll remember, and you can upload that to your Dropbox. So that's how you highlight using articles you found in the databases. The best way to do it is to email the content to yourself so that you'll be able to copy and paste or open the PDF and highlighting options in Edge. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions about your research, about the databases or highlighting, and have a great day.